Hi, Kazoo.
Hi, how are you? What is this thing?
It makes funny noises.
Oh, it's a mouse.
You liked it for pictures.
Oh, did it? Oh my goodness. Oh dear. Oh. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna leave.
Oh no, don't leave.
I don't like it.
I'm sorry, I'll take it away.
I don't like it. I'm gonna hide.
Okay, let's...
I don't like mice.
Kazoo.
Oh no, I don't like mice. Get me away from it. Get me away from it.
Oh, I thought you were supposed to be big, rough, tough hunter.
No, I'm big, tough, lovey-dovey dog.
You are lovey-dovey.
Here,
how about a treat?
I'm still scared of it. Is it gone? I don't like it.
It's gone.
I can hear it though.
Oh,
there it goes.
Sorry.
Oh,
I don't know what to do with it.
We'll throw it out the window or something. So will you put me in a home that doesn't have that? Oh my God, I just heard it again.
Well, Kazoo.
No, I'm scared.
Come on, sweetie.
I'm not this big tough guy I look like. I'm a big cuddle bum.
What?
I'm gonna go this way.
Okay.
Okay.
I guess this is the best angle.
Yeah, there's my tail. It's pretty.
It is.
Yeah, I like this human. This human's gonna protect me from it.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
Bye.